Hello, and welcome to my video where I'll be talking about how we can get um, water to Stripple Point as sort of like a DIY project. So let's say we have a bottle of water here. Pretend it's filled. I kind of already drank all the water in it. But let's pretend it's partially filled. Doesn't have to be filled all the way. And let's say we close the cap, and now we want the water inside to be at its strip point. That's the point of this video, right? So here we have this phase diagram, and at a certain temperature and pressure here of the water, it will reach its triple point. But there's one issue with that, and it's that we can't really follow this phase diagram until it's purely water inside the bottle. Right now, as it stands, we have air in it as well. So Um, one way we could get rid of that in, say, your kitchen, right? It's a DIY project. Is to start boiling the water inside the bottle. So that way the water vapor would, start rushing out, and while it's rushing out, it will start pushing out the air molecules with it. So don't do this with a plastic bottle, obviously. It's probably ruin, it'd probably melt and ruin your kitchen. So, uh, bring a better container. So let's say we're boiling it, and after a while, we're pretty confident that we've pushed all the air out. Let's say we've had the water up pretty high, so there wasn't much air to begin with. And then we shut it. And let's say for sure we now have all the water. Now we can actually follow this phase diagram, right? So what could we do? Well, we have some water and water vapor now, and all we'd have to do now is simply cool it down until we reach that triple point until we start seeing ice, water, and the. Well, I don't know how you'd really see the vapor, but it's there, right? We were just boiling it, so it has to be there. So yeah, and once you start seeing ice and water, you can pull it out, and voila, water at its triple point.